My name is Leah and I am the owner of Leah Noell Design Co. I want to tell you guys some of the things that I planned for painting. I think you will find them very interesting and some of the things you can use Dixie Belle paint on. Okay, so these shoes are cute. Woohoo, aren't they cute? So I just painted my shoes and I painted my knife blocks. See, these are the colors I've kind of been into lately, and I put the wood you bend on it and I painted my knife block. I have also, I am painting the couch in here. That is what I'm gonna be painting this next week, maybe, I don't know, sometime soon. So I'll be painting the couch. So you can paint fabric, you can paint wood, you can paint, I'm gonna be painting the tile in my entryway. And you can also paint, I'm gonna paint my dishwasher using Slick Stick. So you can paint all kinds of different products with the Dixie Belle paint. And so like if I'm gonna paint something like tile or my refrigerator and my dishwasher, I'm gonna use Slick Stick first and then use the paint and then use Gator Hide to seal it. So there's just so many different things that you can use Dixie Belle paint for around your house. It's kind of cool. I really am excited to do it. All right, you guys, so I am gonna get off here. Thank you for joining me.